integral 1 to 2, integral 3 to 4, xy plus e power y dy dx equal to double integral 3 to 4, limits 1 to 2, xy plus e power y dx dy. So here both the limits are constant limits, 1 to 2, 3 to 4, dy dx. Here order changed, that means here 1 to 2 first limits with respect to y, in first limits 1 to 2 dx, x limits are 1 to 2. Integration first with respect to y and later with respect to x. Here they asked the integration first with respect to x and later with respect to y. So from this problem what you understand is the function f of x comma y is same. In both the problems f of x comma y is same, but in case of the constant limits the order of integration is immaterial. Accordingly we have to change the limits also. So solution, LHS part is integral 1 to 2, integral 3 to 4, xy plus e power y dy dx. It is equal to integral with respect to y integration. First of all, inner integration is dy, that means these are y limits. Later x limits, x, that means x limits. So do it first with respect to y integration by keeping x constant. So x into y square by 2, here y limits are 3 to 4, plus e power y integration e power y limits 3 to 4 dx. It is equal to integral x by 2. Here integration with respect to y over. So in place of y we have to do the limit substitution. So 4 square minus 3 square plus e power 4 minus e cube dx. Here 4 square minus 3 square, that is 7. 7 by 2 integral x dx plus e power 4 minus e cube integral dx. 7 by 2. For x integration, x square by 2. What about x limits here? 1 to 2. X limits are 1 to 2 plus e power 4 minus e cube. Integral dx is x and x limits 1 to 2. 7 by 4, 4 minus 1 plus e power 4 minus e cube. Here 2 minus 1. So 7 by 4 into 3 plus e power 4 minus e cube into 1. So 21 by 4 plus e power 4 minus e cube. This is LHS part of the integral evaluation. And later we are going to do RHS part integral evaluation. That is, the order of integration is changed. Here first we did with respect to y by keeping x constant. Now we are doing with respect to x integration by keeping y constant. You have to observe one more point. Together with the change of order of integration, they changed the limits also accordingly. Y with respect to y limits are 3 to 4. Here we are doing with respect to x. X limits are also changed accordingly. RHS part double integral is 3 to 4, 1 to 2, xy plus e power y dx dy. So with respect to x integration, first of all means these are x limits. So do it with respect to x by keeping y constant, e power y constant, x x limits 1 to 2 dy. With respect to x integration over means in place of x we have to substitute upper and lower limits. So 4 square by 2 minus 1 by 2 y plus e power y 2 minus 1 dy. Integral, this is 8 by 2. 8 by 2 means 4. 4 minus, this is 16 by 2, 8. 8 minus 1 by 2. Limits are 1 to 2 means 4, 2 square 4. 4 by 2, 2 minus 1 by 2. On doing the simplification, you will get 21 by 4 plus e power 4 minus e cube. This is RHS part integral evaluation. So, LHS part integral evaluation and RHS part integral evaluation both are same. So from this problem what you understand is, in case of the constant limits in the double integral evaluation, if both the limits are constants, order of the integration is immaterial. We may do with respect to xy integration or with respect to y integration by keeping another constant. But accordingly you have to change the limits also. So that is the point we have to remember.